Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is tiramisu, a beautiful Italian dessert. Let's see what do we need to make this dish. We will need this ladyfinger biscuit that is readily available in the local grocery store in Kuala Lumpur. I hope so for your city also. Then we need 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. I need mascarpone cheese 500 gram and 1 full packet of whipping cream. Now let's start with the recipe. Take 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Use a beautiful aromatic one, that will be good. And pour 1 cup of hot water. Make a mixture of it and keep aside. We need this concoction to dip our biscuit first. Now in a big bowl, take out all the mascarpone cheese and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mostly very granulated, the softer sugar, not the big granule. It's a very fine granule, and now I will, with the hand blender, I will mix it up and make it a smooth cream. Now in another bowl, I will take the whipping cream out and whip it with the help of the hand blender until a soft peak coming. I keep this chill pack under this bowl so that the cream will stay cold and it is easier to work with this way. Then I mixed my mascarpone cheese with this whipped cream and lightly with a light hand I am folding it together until it's blended well. In a big bowl, take that coffee mixture, the concoction, and we'll start dipping the biscuit first, and then now one by one I will take each biscuit and dip in this coffee concoction and line them up in a dish. When one layer is done, I take half of the cream and pour on this layer and softly spread it out. After the cream is evenly spread, it's time for the second layer. I took all the biscuit and the same rule follows. After that, I took all the cream and make another layer, a thick layer onto the top of the biscuit. Now put some plastic wrap onto top of it and keep it in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. If you are not in a hurry, you can keep it overnight as well. This is after 2 hours. I took the bowl out. We need some additional items for this, that is some cocoa powder. I'll put them in a sieve and then sprinkle it over the top. Once I am done, I will take a kitchen towel or a tissue paper and wipe the side of the dish very neatly. That way it will look great when you are going to present it in the table. You can serve this right away, but in my case I will keep this into the fridge for a few more hours or until I am about to serve. And after a while, when I took it out to serve it, I saw someone already ate it from there. Anyway, I will serve another piece. I will show you how it is looking from inside. Our tiramisu is ready to serve. It was very tasty and quite easy to make also. We came to the end of today's video. Hope you will try and enjoy it. Come back next time. See you there. Bye.